YouTube has been pushing shorts everywhere. Right now, the algorithm for YouTube shorts is optimized to gain views quick. The great news is you don't need to create your own content to get millions of views. Today I will guide you through a step-by-step plan you can use to recycle content that's already gone viral. I'm going through my research process, editing theory, and optimization tactics. The first thing I wanna do is actionable game plan. Step 1. Market research. This step is help us to know what content is popular right now. After that, we have to find original content we want to use. Then editing process, which is the important part to follow YouTube guidelines of original content. It helps us to monetize later. And do some keyword research to optimize our video for YouTube searches. And then just repeat. Let's begin with the first step in discovering what people are watching today. Before that, I came across to this channel called Full Send Podcast Clips that has 400,000 subscribers and 500 million views. His strategy is simple. He identified trending podcasts, edited them and reposted it. Let's begin with the first step. For this, I'm head on Google Trends to see what people are looking for right now in the way of podcast. The first thing I see here, TMG podcast highlights, and copy the name, then go to YouTube search, type TMG podcast highlight. Now choose cut down clip. That means the video should be less than 10 minutes because if it is greater than, it is difficult to find the interesting part. Let's check this one here.
What's an idea right now that you'd want to do that you don't have the money for?
I don't know why I'm drawing dead. I can't think of any. I mean, recently, again, because of Peaceful and Beastburger, a lot of those ideas, like an example is a video we just filmed. I went to the cheapest hotel on the planet and I worked my way up to the most expensive one. Spent a night there. So $1 hotel all the way up to $1 million a night hotel.
It sounds interesting. So the clip is about 5 minutes long. We have to trim it down under a minute. Let's add into video editor. Before that, download the video using clip converter, or you can use any types of YouTube video downloader. And then use any kinds of video editor. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use vid.io. Drag your video here and then go to project setting. Now select YouTube short format. The first thing is find interesting part from the video and cut useless parts. And now click subtitle option to generate captions. Click create subtitle. Cool. Change the font and text color of your choice. Finally go to elements and add progress bar. Now our project is complete. Let's see the outcome.
Mr. Beast, how much money did you make in 2021, sir?
I give it all away. I'm poor.
What were your gross earnings?
Negative. Hey, I paid you a fuckload of tax last year, okay? I did. Even though I didn't make money, still make me pay.
You didn't pay me specifically.
Gotcha.
You're paying the country which
here.
afforded you the opportunity to earn this money.
How much I get? If I give you, like, hypothetically 100 grand, can you knock like 150 off my tax bill?
That's not for me to decide, sir. I'm only here to collect information.
But I'm saying if I do and you do that, we can get a good thing going.
Possibly could.
Are you bribing
Is this
a
an
government
actual
employee?
IRS agent? Because if so,
I don't know.
I'm fucked.
I've never met this
I
guy.
thought this was a bit.
Oh no, he's
Imagine
legit.
Is it a bit? And I'm like, literally, I get arrested tomorrow.
You're asking the IRS guy to smell your Gucci tracks.
We can do this here in front of millions of people,
Yeah.
or we can do this in private.
I don't really want to fight. I'm sorry.
Nice. Let's go ahead and export it. Alright, now we are ready to optimize our video. For this kind of work, I'm gonna use keyword research tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. For now, let's start with vidIQ. In the keyword section, I type TMG podcast highlights. From here, I see relevant keywords. You can use any of them as a title or description. Yeah, that's it.